Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Concerning Bee Network, okay. In this video, I will show you to how to get instant qualification for KYC. Okay, so in most cases, this is what you see when you want to do your KYC. So when you click on KYC verification from here, and when it loads, you will see that next round is coming soon. So what you need to do is that click on event center. So you click on event center, check this, okay. And then click got it. And now you can see from here, get your KYC qualification ASAP. So click on that. Let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, you have to complete the tax over here, okay, in order to get KYC verification. So let's complete that quickly and move on. Okay, so tax one, it says follow Bee Network International on Twitter. So let's expand that and let's follow them on Twitter. Yeah, so when you get to Twitter, you need to authorize the app. So click on authorize app. You wait for it to load. This is taking. Okay, so error. So let me try out. Okay, so let me try once more. It's loading. Let's wait. Okay, so I'm through with that. So you click on follow. So now you are following Bee Network International. Okay, official X handle. Go back and then click on verify. So okay, so that's they have checked that. That means you have completed that. Okay, so now you move to the next task, which is retweet at Bee Network International on Twitter. So you click on expand and then you click on retweet. So as you can see from here, you have to repost. So just simply click on repost, and that's it. You go back and then click on verify. Okay, so the taxes, okay, that's just two tasks. Okay, and you have completed all of them. So all you have to do is click on claim reward, click on that, and then this is an ad. Let's wait for that to okay finish playing. Okay, so we have to wait. Okay, done with the ads. And now it says wow, congratulations on winning the reward, 1.0 coins, blah blah blah. Okay, so we are done. Let's go back and see. Let's go back and then click on KYC verification. And now verification slot has been given to us, so now we can go ahead and complete our KYC verification. So guys, that's how to get KYC qualification. Okay, for KYC. That's how to get qualification for KYC. So if you are one of those users who sees next round is coming soon when trying to do your KYC, this is the process you have to go through before you will be granted what do you call it, a KYC slot. Okay, so that's that. In my next video, I will be showing you how to go through the whole KYC process from starting to the finish. Okay, so subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'm uploading the KYC process, okay, how to complete the KYC in my next video. See you in that video. Bye bye.